Hey guys, I'm HP and here the latest news about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, where I need your opinion or your help or just your attention. First of all, I'm planning to introduce different guitars on the channel here. It's up to you. I have a voting in the community tab. I set the link in the description box below where you can check it out. Please vote there or tell me your opinion if you would be interested to also hear more acoustic guitar, like either if you want more nylon guitar, the Spanish guitar stuff, steel string guitar, stuff which I'm working on, like open string, really cool open string stuff I'm working on. All kinds of things. What also probably would be in your interest is more about sound design for electric guitar. Just let me know. Check the community tab, make your vote, and or comment here in the comments that I get an idea what you guys want, and so I can follow more this direction. Second, the HPCrazy Guitar Academy has now a lot of new cool features with they're really fun, and it's slowly getting a kind of a real community there where you can talk with each other. And I really want to encourage you, if you want to have more information, more interaction, more possibility to talk with me or others, please join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. With a free member account, you can use all features there. You can also watch the videos, get additional information behind the tutorials and stuff like that. And if you really love my work, which I'm doing, please support it with a premium membership upgrade. There you can always download any file which comes along with a lesson, or additional files which pop up, or you have questions about a specific tutorial you're going to ask, then I'm going to add some files which you can download. That's the idea of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So please join there. The link is also in the description box below. And last but not least, I decided in these special times to really put my attention in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, means in my online guitar academy. I used to have another academy, but through the situation, it's not so easy to work at the moment, and looks like it keeps still going a little bit. And anyhow, if you love what I'm doing, please share my channel to your friends. Invite your guitar friends to this channel, that it can grow, and it really helps to keep it going. That's about all the news. Please tell me your opinion. That's the most important thing which I really want to know. And bye.